Oh, I know y'all gonna cuss me out because I know it's been a minute, but so much has happened. Okay, so y'all know it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute. Don't even worry about that, okay? Now here and there, y'all been seeing me post little videos, but your girl is coming back, and I got a couple sponsored type of videos, whatever like that. Now I want y'all to know, just because they sponsored, don't mean that your girl ain't gonna tell the truth, okay? So, what I have today, and I got my little notes and stuff. I got my little notes on this wig. So I'm doing a wig review today. It's for a company named YOLOVA. That's YOLOVA. And they hit me up and they were basically like, hey, you know, we seen your Instagram, we seen your YouTube before you do reviews. So I was like, whoop, right. So they wanted me to do a review. They contacted me via email. They sent me a list or like pictures of like wigs and things like that. I'm sorry, y'all. Wigs and things like that. To see which one I wanted. And I've always wanted to try like the little Jerry curl, like Lucy, little, you know, curly, juicy, wet look. I've always wanted to try that. So they had a one specific wig. It's called Jerry curl, and I'll be sure to like put it somewhere. Matter of fact, I'll put the picture of me in it when I first got it out. Okay, so I love the wig and everything like that. And I didn't want this to be like a typical wig review. You know, everybody takes the wigs out. Everybody know what. Sorry, that's my ring. Everybody know what wigs look like fresh out the box, but I do want to show you guys the packaging and everything like that. I've had this wig for maybe like a month, maybe about a month or so now, and I initially did record like an unboxing and everything like that. It had no sound, and like it was just weird. The video was weird, so I was like, you know what, instead of doing like a initial opening unboxing type of thing, I want to show it how it would look weeks later, because you know, as girls, we wear our wigs. We might go to sleep in it. I've definitely slept in it. And I want y'all to see what it looks like 3 weeks later. I haven't washed it or anything, so we're gonna wash it. We're not gonna wash it today. I'm lying. We're gonna basically reinstall it. I got my Cleos. I got my Cleos on. And so I already braided into 4 braids, so as y'all can see, got some lint going on in here. But I've already braided my hair down into 4 braids or whatever. I'm not really into like the whole baby hair thing. So let me show y'all and give you the details on it first. So it's a 13x4 lace wig. It's 100% density, natural black. Human hair is 26 inches, okay? So again, I'll show the picture of me when I had my little makeup and girl was fly and stuff. I didn't go nowhere, but I did install it. So I'll show what it looked like. Okay. All right. So here's what it looks like now. So this is about as much parting as you get. It goes back a little bit further. But I cut my lace and everything already, and the laces is not that, like the way I did it, I just put some concealer, like a line of concealer on it. But we're gonna go in the bathroom and I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on, because I don't wear it for like super long, but you can see like the curls are still pretty much there. It's still soft. Like it's still soft and everything. That's a little, like so it comes, of course, it doesn't come cut or anything like that. This is just mine's cut with the lace and everything, but it's still very much, and it's still, you know how that like new hair, hair, Remy hair smell like? That's what it smell like. And so it's like you can't see, you know what I mean? Like you can't see nothing. So that's why I like that. And it's still has a lot of body to it. Like I said, this is a month later or whatever. So I'm going to show y'all how to rebounce this baby the way I do it, because I be needing it to just sit on there sometimes and go. But I do want to show y'all the packaging that it came. So this is the packaging that it came in. It was just like in a regular like bag, and then they had it in this. So it says like for beauty. This is cute though. I like this. I like holographic. So you just take this off. Which I ain't gonna lie, I was a little bit confused. I'm thinking this company is like drop shipping or something like that. But it says Ebony Diva on it. Like on the actual packaging, it says Ebony Diva. Which again, I've drop shipped before, so I get it. See that? Sorry. Sorry, my camera going off. So, and this manual focus is killing me. Okay, and then you get this like, get like a little drawer. Get like the little drawer, and then the hair, it came in a bag. It came in a bag, and it gave you like 2 wig caps, and I think I got some lashes with it too. But yeah, so we are going to go in the restroom. We're going to go in the restroom, and I'm going to show you guys how I revamp this hair, girl, because y'all see this day after day. Okay, so this is probably not going to be like the best view or like the best sound, but I don't want to bring my camera and my lighting and stuff here, so y'all gonna have to just deal with the sound for right now. Okay, so y'all seen it, right? So I want y'all to see about how long it is on me. So what I have is, where's my brush? Where's my brush? Hold up, y'all. My bad, I have to find the brush. So I got this brush, it's called Tangle Teezer. It's for coarse hair. I use it for my natural hair too, but it's really, really good for curly hair. So I just turn the shower on. I just turn on like hot water. Hold up, y'all. There we go. Okay, so I just cut on hot water, and I just like, I'm not washing it yet because I don't wear it that much, but I do want the curls to come back, so I just like kind of wet it. I really don't. Whoop. Maybe about right there. Okay. I don't get it too wet, but I get it wet enough to where you see the water. Look, so you can see the water on it, right? I get it about right there, and I don't really get it too wet up here. So I get it that much wet, and I always work from the bottom. Y'all see how it just come back? I work from the bottom, and I turn it as I'm going, and then I slowly brush up. But y'all see how y'all see how easy it is to brush with it. Like I'm gonna put the link for this down below too. But everything mentioned in the video will be linked. I have a discount code that you guys can get for, I believe it's 15% off, but I'll be sure when I go back to my desk. I'll look, okay? So I'll mention it again. Don't worry. I'll mention it again. I'll put everything down in the description. So to get that little back piece, I just kind of open it up like this and brush through. I just brush through. It doesn't really shed a lot. That's a plus. You know, I feel like this wig is gonna last me a long time. I can definitely say that it's made out of really, really good product. So once I brushed it out, y'all can see it's pretty brushed out, and I always do this. I come from the bottom and I bring it up. That kind of brings the curls back together. Now, if I want up here to be super crispy, I can put some mousse in it, but I'm not going to. I'll just brush it with a regular brush and make sure that that back is covered. Where the track is, I'll make sure that's covered so you can't see it. So y'all see the lace, right? Like the lace is pretty good. It's a little bit lighter than me, but again, I just put concealer. I just put concealer on it. So then I just kind of wiggle it, let it separate a little bit. And y'all see my hand can go straight through it. I haven't washed this wig. It's been a month since I haven't washed it. I've slept in it, everything. And my hand, it just, you know what I mean? It guides straight through it. So again, put that up. And that's kind of how I refresh my wig. I don't do too much because I don't constantly wear them. Like you can see a little bit of the glue residue in there, but it's not even glue, it's hairspray. I use Got to Be Glue, or sometimes I use the white one. So now we're gonna throw this baby on, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm back now, and as y'all seen in the video, like this is a higher quality camera, so you're gonna see a lot better. But y'all see, like they never left. They never left, and again, this is 26 inches. Of like, I guess, is this like water wave? Maybe this is considered like water wave or something. But so I'm gonna show you how I put it on. I don't really do too much to my wigs because I want them to last. I don't put a lot of product or anything like that in them. And with this one, honestly, you don't have to. I will say, because the top was like, you've seen in the picture, but because she's bad. But in that picture, it was before anything. I just cut the lace. I didn't put anything in it, and I just did kind of like a flip over. Now that I've had it and I wanted it to like be a little more flatter, I just put a little bit of mousse in it when I parted it or whatever. And I'll show you guys how I put it on. So first, I don't use any stocking cap majority of the time. I don't have them like that, or they just be missing, or my daughter done grabbed it and she's playing with it. So I just kind of grab my braids, wrap them up, and push them up. I push them up. Don't talk about my elbows. I push them up. And then what I do is I grab the back. I grab the back first, right? And I kind of put that comb in. That's another thing. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't tell y'all it's combs in it, but I mean, wig. Y'all know the routine with this wig stuff, okay? So I put it in and I pull it over. Pull it over. Look, y'all. Hold up. I'm looking in my mirror right here. Yeah. That simple, honestly, guys. Like, of course, y'all might be able to see that. Y'all might not be able to see that. I can see it because I'm looking at my mirror, which is right here. But like, what? Like, you don't have to. You y'all see this? Okay, mirror, move out the way. Matter of fact, like, do y'all see this? Y'all see this? You feel me? I don't really like baby hairs, so that's literally all I do. Now, of course, you can get your freeze spray and it got to be glue and stuff for like this part, like the ear part or whatever. But like, if you're not moving too much, ain't nobody. It just looked like I just got out the shower. You know what I'm saying? And again, here go. Like, You feel me? So it bounced right back, and so it'll like kind of loosen up throughout the day. So I like to start it off like this wet, like juicy look, and then throughout the day it'll kind of loosen up. But y'all can see this a little bit, which is fine, because all I gotta do is get some little got to be glue and do it right there, and I'll be straight, honestly. But sometimes when it's wet like this, what I'll do is I'll put a scarf on it. I'll just put a scarf on it, and it kind of like just conforms down. But it's used to being on my head now, so it's like it's kind of conformed down. But I want to go over the details for this wig one more time before I let you guys go and be great in the world, okay? The next video I do is gonna be like a get ready with me, because it's probably been like a year since I've done a video, and I know y'all been wanting to know what's been going on and stuff, and a lot has happened. So again, so this is it's called Jerry Curly, and it's a 13x4 lace wig. It is 180% density. It is in natural black, and it is 26 inches. Okay. Now where you can purchase this is, let me find it. Oh, here it is. Sorry. So yeah, I'll be sure to put the link to the hair directly down below, and my code is Janiece. So that is JANIECE. That is my special code, and that gives you 15%, I believe, right? It gives you 15% off, and you know, if you're interested in it, definitely check it out. 15% off of this hair, and I think actually any hair on the website, as long as you put that code at checkout. The website is YOLOVA. I don't know why that makes me laugh. YOLOVA. That's like the website regular, but the link to this specific wig will be in my description. I'm sorry if y'all can hear that my dog is right here drinking her water. But I'll be sure to put all their like social media and stuff like that down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Welcome me back, okay? Because I'm back and I'm recording. Your girl got time. In the next video, I'ma tell y'all we're gonna have some story times. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have some story times for sure. But as always, peace, love, and happiness, guys. I will see you next time.